Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the default messaging app on Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. If you are like many of us and have multiple messaging apps installed on your phone, you might want to designate one as your go-to default app for all your text. Well, this video going to show you exactly how to do that on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's begin. Now, fresh out of the box, my Galaxy S25 comes with just the Google Messages app pre-installed. So, to demonstrate this properly, let me quickly install Samsung Messages app. First, I will head over to the Galaxy Store. Here, in the store, I will search for Samsung Messages. And there it is. I will go ahead and download and install it. Alright, with Samsung Messages now installed, let us get to setting our default messaging app. To do this, we will need to jump into the settings menu. So, swipe down from the top and tap on the gear icon. Once in settings, scroll down until you see apps. Tap on that. Now, within the app settings, look for and select choose default apps. On this page, you will see various default app categories. We are interested in SMS app. So, go ahead and tap on that. As you can see here, it lists all the SMS apps currently installed on my phone. In this case, we have both Samsung Messages and Google Messages. Simply select the one you want to be your default messaging app. I will choose Samsung Messages for this example. And just like that, you have set your preferred messaging app as the default on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to customize your messaging experience on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, take care.